Roberts. Mae'r gigrydd chwipet at y postyn pella, mae'n taro'r trawst. Ystyn apus gweld ti'n mynd dros di ben ar taro'r trawst. Oedd wedi giro falla. Wild rwnd y gornel. Bale disgyn i Williams mewn y cwrt Cosby. Dan bwysau gan Smith yn cael ei faglu. Na, mae'r dyfarnwr Alex Livesey. Edwards, Strachellis ag at Wild ar y postyn pella. Gath o i wthio. Mae'n hawlio cic o'r smotin ar erchyd wedyn dod i mewn gan Ryan Harrington y cefnwr chwith. Mae Neil Gibson yn gandryll oddi tanna ni yma. Fo hwnna ddim yn cic o'r smotin am wthiad i gefn Michael Wild. Dafliad hir i mewn i'r cwrt Cosby. Wild ar ôl beniad, mae'n disgyn yn rhydd. Cael eich lirio unwaith eto gan Nathan Pete Disney. Mae'n sgorio llawer. Na pan mae'n lledu'r Bale i Harrington. Disney mynd o'i amgylch. Disney cyfle gael y Bale i cwrt Cosby. Nefn teg at Benas ar y postyn pella. A cyfle roedd arall cael ei wastraffu gan yr ymwelwyr. White dan bwysau gan Noah Edwards. Colli'r meddiant Malkin wan. Ceisio ymdibio i Harrington yn y cwrt Cosby. Joe Malkin. O, mae Dresden yn dyrio yna i gefn i rwyd i hun. O, smolnach llwyr gan golwr Cei Connah. Malkin i groesiad o yn gwiro yn uchel i'r awyr. Dresden o dan bwysau ceisio dyrnu'r Bale a'r trwylliad ar y Bale yn ei dwyllo. Bol beniad gan Newell Abadaki yn y cwrt Cosby. O, dylia fod i rhoi'r Bala ymhellach ar y blaen. Oedd ei gyffyrddiad gyntaf o yn wych. Yr ail ddim gystal. O, ddim trosedd ar Edwards. Malkin yn erbyn i ginglob gyfle i'r ymosodwr. Selio'r triffwynt, tydio ddim.
Kel, another massive 3 points and another clean sheet.
Yeah, buzzing with it. You know, we took our chances when we had them. They didn't really have many clean-cut chances. I think clean sheet's the main thing for me, obviously, but if we can get 3 points, we get 3 points in it.
I've been telling lads a lot this season that you don't have to play well to win games, and that's a good example of it. In the first half, you know, we've stayed in the game, and then the second half I thought we did really well. We went at them a little bit, and then we've had the 3 best chances in the game. Ozzy's gone through and just put it past the post, and then Joe Malkin towards the end just put it over the bar, where they're one-on-one chances, and they didn't create anything like that.
You can't create the number of opportunities we've had and not come in ahead at half time. You know, I don't think we were too much different to last week, you know, against Aberystwyth, but last week we come in at 4-0 up, and I think today if there would have been, I don't think anyone would have had any qualms if we come up 2 or 3-0 up at half time. Key opportunities, not just like half chances, they're, you know, clear opportunities that we're missing. No one wants to miss opportunities, no one tries to miss opportunities, but it's just will cost you in games like this, where obviously Bala, you know, will be a rival competitor for Europe this season, and but asking the questions of them that we asked and getting them to defend for 70% of the game inside their own half and camped around their box tells us that we're doing things right, and if we play that way, we'll win more games than we lose.
Yeah, be fortunate, you know, for your goal, but sometimes you got to take the rough with the smooth.
Yeah, definitely, yeah. But it's, you know, people say it was a luck with the goal, but it's a great challenge in their box, whereas before, in the first half, we were just sat back, we were chasing into our own half. But Joe's been brave, you know, they've played 1 or 2 passes. He's put a great challenge in, and the challenge has caused the ball to spin, and it's gone on, and John hasn't dealt with it well enough, and that's it. You get your just rewards if you put a lot of effort in, and like I say, once the goal went in, we had the best chances in the game to have won it more.
We're really disappointed for John Rushton. It's just you know, one of those freak incidents. You know, John Rushton's a very good goalkeeper. It happens like that sometimes. Your goalkeeper coach leaves, your first choice goalkeeper gets injured the very next week, and you know, things just don't work in your favour that way. But we've got a lot of confidence in him. He'll bounce back from that. But you know, opportunities we had in the second half, I thought just we lacked that killer bit of quality in the final third, and that's something we need to address.